Hi everyone, and welcome. Have you ever been working on a Google form, maybe deleting a question or changing a setting, and then suddenly realized you made a huge mistake? That feeling of panic is real. You start wondering, how can I get my old version back? Well, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to undo changes in Google Forms, from small typos to major revisions, so you never have to panic again. Let's start with the simplest method for small, recent mistakes. This is your classic undo and redo function. Just like in Google Docs or Sheets, you have these options readily available. Look at the very top of your screen, near the palette icon for changing colors. You'll see two arrows, one pointing left for undo and one pointing right for redo. You can click these to step backward or forward through your most recent actions. The keyboard shortcuts also work perfectly. Just press Ctrl+C on a Windows PC or Command+C on a Mac to undo your last action. This is perfect if you just accidentally deleted an option or typed something wrong. But remember, this only works for changes you've just made in your current editing session. If you close the tab and come back later, these simple undo options won't be there to save you. Now, for the most powerful tool, the one that can save you from big mistakes. This is called version history, and it's a true lifesaver. To find it, go to the top right corner of your form and click on the three vertical dots, which is the More menu, right next to the Send button. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Version History. A new panel will open on the right side of your screen. Here, you will see a list of all the different versions of your form that Google has automatically saved over time. Each entry has a date, a time, and it even shows who made the changes if you're collaborating with others. To see what your form looked like at a specific point in time, just click on one of the versions in the list. Google Forms will then show you a preview of that older version, and it will even highlight the changes between that version and your current one, which is incredibly helpful for seeing exactly what was different. If you find the version you want to go back to, simply look at the top of the screen and click the big green button that says Restore this version. A confirmation box will pop up to make sure you're certain. Just click Restore, and your form will instantly revert back to that saved state. A great pro tip here is to name your versions. Before you make a big change, you can go into version history and give the current version a specific name, like Final Draft before sending. This makes it much easier to find your way back if something goes wrong. Another great strategy, especially for important forms that are already collecting responses, is to be proactive. Before you start making significant changes, it's a wise idea to create a backup. You can do this by going to the three-dot menu again and selecting Make a Copy. This creates an identical, separate copy of your form. You can then experiment on the original, knowing you have a perfect backup safe and sound if you need it. It's also important to know that restoring an older version of your form's questions and design does not delete any responses you have already collected. Your data is safe in the Responses tab and in your linked Google Sheet. These methods are for the form itself, not the collected data. So, to recap, you can use the simple undo button or Ctrl+C for quick fixes, dive into version history to restore your form to a previous point in time, and make a copy beforehand as a safety net. I hope this guide helps you feel more confident when working with Google Forms. Thank you so much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button, and for more easy-to-follow tutorials like this one, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It really helps a lot. Thanks again, and see you in the next video.